everyone, I am Nehal Patidar, and in this video I will show you how to convert raw educational data into meaningful insights using Microsoft Excel. My dataset is based on the educational industry. It includes student name, reasons, courses, fees, expenses, profit loss, mode of payment, batch type, and rating. Through this video, we will learn how to use Excel functions and charts to analyze performance and help educational institutions make better decisions. So, I will start by using cleaning and formatting. Freeze the top row of this table to understand data easily. So for that, I will select A1 row and then under the View tab, then click on Freeze Panels and then select Freeze Top Rows. So it will freeze your top rows like when I'm scrolling down and the top row is still there. So it will easy to understand the data. And the second thing is I will select the entire table and I and go to Home tab. Then click on Format as Table. You can select various table style here like light, medium, dark. So I'm going to select these. Check my table has headers and click on OK. So it will convert your table into this. This is basically very attractive and easy to understand now. Also, it has by this you can use various option by here only here also. And now I want to sort data on the basis of reason. Like I want data according alphabetical orders like Bhopal. I want to add alphabetical order in region section. So I will select, I can do by the drop down arrow near region directly and then select A to Z. So it had it has converted my data into alphabetical order. Now I want to add filter in the student names or I want to add filter into region name. So I will select this column, then home tab, then under shorten filter, click and then filter. So it gives so the filter options provides you to only find one value or you want to focus only one thing in the table. So it will help you. Like I have used the filter option and it has given the drop down arrows near every headings. So click on that and then I want the data of Indore only. So I will unclick, I will select all. Then I will select only Indore. I want Ratlam also, so I will select that and then I will click on OK. So I have the data of Indore and Ratlam region only. So now I want to add, now uh, I want to see my profit. Like I want to only see profit above 8,000. So I will use conditional formatting here. So under Home tab, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, which is greater than, I will put value 8,000 here. Then click on select the color whichever you want to. I will I will take yellow and then click on OK. So it highlights the profits which are greater than 8,000. Now I will use the next function is sum function. I want to sum my whole profit here directly. So I will put formula equal to sum, open bracket, choose the very first cell of profit loss column, then to last column, last cell, sorry. Now close the bracket and click on enter. So it gives the sum of whole column of profit and loss. So total profit I have earned is 63,500 and I want, and now I want average of this profit, total profit. I will select the entire column here, click on here. I want average of this column. So equal average, then open bracket, again select G2 cell, then select G11 cell and then click on OK, then enter. So I have average profit of 6,350. Now I want, here I am using max and minimum formula here. So I want to see the maximum fees paid by a student. Okay, so I will, for that I will apply max formula here, equal max, and here too, then click on OK. So the maximum fees paid by a student is 25,000. I want to see minimum fees. So for that, equal minimum, open bracket close, and then click on enter. So minimum fees paid by a student is 9,000. Now I want to suppose I have big data set here. I can see that I have only 11 rows here. Okay, so total of 11. But if I have big data set in which I can't count total rows and columns, and I can see if I have any empty cells left or anything, so I can apply count formula here, which will count the total rows I have in a table. So for that I will apply count formula. So equal counter, bracket open, then click on enter. So I have a total 10 rows in which I have my data. So this is a count function. Now I will use some logical function here, which is if, and or functions. Logical functions are functions that test conditions and return result based on whether the condition is true or false. So always return in either in true, or if condition is satisfied, then it will come written in true, and if condition is not satisfied, it will return in false. So I will take this column. Now I want to see that if I have profit greater than 8,000 or not. Is this condition true or not? Or I can write it as a high profit or low profit. I want to see if I have profit greater than 8,000, then it will return as a high profit. And if I don't have profit greater than 8,000, then it will return as a low profit. So I am putting formula here. So for that equal, if bracket open, enter. So like this, it has given you value like in profit column I have value 7,500, which is smaller than 8,000, so it has given value low profit, right? And in this I have profit greater than 8,000, so it has written as a high profit. Now I want to show you end function here. End function is basically checks if multiple conditions are true or not. So it will return true if both conditions are met, like profit is above 8,000 or fee is above 9,000. So I am putting value here equal, and then bracket close. I'm not writing here, it will, so it gives this value. Now or function equal, or bracket open, greater than 8,000, comma, bracket close, then click on enter. The all functions on the other hand returns true if any one condition matches. So basically if function show only one condition, n functions based on two conditions or two or more conditions, or all functions is based on either one condition or either another condition. Now if I want to add bar graph in this table, like I want a bar graph of fee, expenses, profit and loss. So I will select the columns of which I want a bar graph. So click select these columns, then go on insert. Under insert tab you will see the charts and graphs, different charts and graphs. Then select one of the bar graph. You can select 2D, 3D, 2D bar, 3D bar, whichever you want. I'm selecting 3D column here. So okay. So here your bar graph is ready. So you can edit your bar graph, like options here given. If I want to add or change chart title, so I can change. I can double click on this to add my name here. So you can change accordingly. You can change this thing by tapping everything on this chart. You can You can fill colors, you can use many options here. If I want to see in pyramid, it will show the results in pyramid. Okay. I want to see the bar graph in cylindrical shape, then it will convert my bar graph in cylindrical shape. So you can add bar graph to easily understand your table. Now I want another bar graph. I want to use a combo chart. Right. Again I am selecting this, then go to insert tab, then so under the combo chart, the bar graph and the line chart are mixed. So this is the combo chart, so you can easily understand the table with the help of this chart. You can also edit this by clicking right click on each thing. Now, now what if I will show how to add pivot table in this sheet. So click anywhere in the table, then under insert tab, click on pivot table. From table range, click on OK. So your pivot table summarize larger data automatically. So I have inserted pivot table here, then break down reason area into rows column, then profit loss into values column. You can break down like I want if I want a student name in filter or fee in column, so I can do that also. So here it is your pivot table. Now you can, if I want top 5 entry or top 2 entries, you can select the near arrow of row labels, then select value filters, then top 10. You can edit value. I want top 2, then click on OK. It will show you the top 2 values of this. Okay, you can, by clicking drop down arrow near sum of profit or value field setting, you can find out sum, count, average. You can do many functions from here also. Now if I want more understanding of data and clarity, I will click on pivot table analysis. Now I will insert slicer, then whichever thing I want to focus, I will select that. I want student, in which region they belong, and in which course they are, and how much fees they are paying. So I have selected 4 things, then click on OK. So here your slicers are ready. You can analyze data on the basis of these slicers. Right. If I want to see how many of students paid 15,000 fees, so it will automatically tell you that Neha Patel in Excel Mastery course, which belongs to Jain region, paid 15,000 rupees. Now again, I want my file ready. If I want to save this file, I can directly save by clicking on this icon, or either if I want to share this file, I can share this file directly with this, or I can save from here also. And I click on file, save as this PC. I want to save in desktop, or I want to save in documents. I will say save this file, save. So this file is saved. So let's quickly recap. We used Excel to analyze our education dataset using formulas, charts, and summaries. Functions like sum, average, if, and help us turn data into insight. So thank you for watching this video.